What's good? Hold on. Sure it's good. But yeah, it was good. It's not gonna be a long live stream for real. It's probably not gonna be 10 minutes. But I just want to describe or go over these trades I took. I didn't record because I just didn't feel like opening up the software and pressing record. That's for real the only reason. I was just being too lazy and I didn't feel like recording. But what I saw was so let me pull up the 5 minute because I was looking at that. So on the 5 minute, where I put this high in that close above. Where I put, actually, I would just go. Well, all right. I don't know what the hell just happened. Ooh, let me restart that. Actually, fucking, it ain't that deep. I try not because tomorrow, every day's a new day. All right, bet that's enough right there. But what I saw was we put this high in right here before we close below the last low that we had, which was here. So we closed. This is a high that I put this low in. Then we came up and traded and closed above this high. So we broke structure to the upside. So we got a bullish flip. Then you will wait for a retracement. I missed this move. Actually, I think I didn't miss it. I just wasn't in front of it. Yeah, I wasn't even in front of the charts at this time when it came down and came up. I believe it was somewhere around here while I was actually looking. But I got another close above. So this was like a continuation type move here. We got a pullback right at the top of the zone. Then it didn't pull back enough into the zone, so I didn't take this tap, even though it was just tapping. I had this when I was on the charts, like looking for a trade or just drawing stuff up where price could likely bounce off of after it broke up. I had this imbalance marked up, but currently you don't see it now, but it was this imbalance here because this is a candle that closed up, but this candle was last candle gave us a low that put in this high. But when you go back, if I go back out to the 5 minute, this candle would be the high that we had before we came back down. So you have your tap into your imbalance and the highest taken immediately on the next candle. But I waited for this candle close in like a retracement, but when I got in, it had spread. That's why my entry is up here. But or that's why I put my entry up here. But my real entry would have been somewhere in this candle right here. But as my trade went, as the first trade went on, I saw this high be put in, then this low traced down into the zone. But I didn't take this one. I missed that one, so I was looking for another trade that was similar to this. It's like another continuation. It's like trading like a lower time frame type deal, but you're on a 1 minute. You just got to be able to see it. But this low was put in, then this high was put in. This black candle that put in was the candle that put in the high, and it was the same candle that came back down into this zone. So I got entered here, and I had this overall high being taken, but when I'm trying to build cushion on my eval account right now before I hold trades or before I get comfortable holding trades longer. I'm just trying to build a cushion up, but and we're actually doing great right now on the eval. So I might show you the stats, but stats really don't. I really don't care about stats. For real, like it's helping me see what like If I'm like fucking up, then yeah, I'm gonna look at it, see, but hopefully I see where I'm messing up on. But I'm not messing up on nothing, so I'm not really caring that much about it. But I got out on this pullback because we had just tapped into this little zone, this tiny zone right here. Yeah, we had tap. Well, we had closed above them. We came back in, then took this rally immediately after that. But yeah, that was a 2-1 and 2. So profit is profit. Okay. But yeah, and if you want my opinion on what's going to happen in the next few minutes or the next setup, yeah, this high put in, this low put in, high felt people to break structure above. So this high, this low, this high was felt to be closed above. So we had a failure to break structure above. So we're looking for something to be tapped into here. So likely this zone which is what it's reacting off of right now, to see if this will be the move or the second like retest for this high to be broken. But if this isn't giving us nothing to break structure above, we'll either stay in this range. So this high to this low, stay within here before the market decides what it wants to do. That, or we'll just end up taking this low out, come back up. So right now I'm just doing something with this. We could take this low out, come back up, continue lower for retracement, and come back up. But yeah, with that being said, that's really it. That's really all I have for this video or this stream. And it wasn't even 10 minutes. But yeah, stay true, stay loving, dog these hoes. I'm playing, but this shit funny as fuck, bro. But yeah, stay true, stay loving.